Hello everyone, welcome back to the WebToTech YouTube channel. Today for this video of WebToTech, I will be showing you how to change Facebook profile to digital creator. Now to do that, first thing is you need to open your Facebook application on your phone device. Tap open Facebook and then get logged in into the account of yours. Now once you are logged in into the Facebook account of yours, what you need to do is you need to go and tap on profile. Tap your profile on the top left. Once you're at the profile page, you need to go and tap on the three dotted line just beside the edit profile. You tap that dotted lines which will drag you to the space over here, and in this space you will have the profile setting available. In the profile setting at the end you will see the option turn on professional mode. You need to tap that. Now you need to tap on turn on. This will get you the access to get the inside of your Facebook profile. That is, you will be able to use your Facebook profile as a digital creator. So tap on turn on. Here people will be able to follow you and you will be able to know each and every like, post and the analytics of your Facebook account. So here you need to follow few simple step process for you to complete your creator account. There are few steps available. You need to add or edit your bio, you need to edit your profile picture, add or edit your cover photo, add your bio, and there's connect with your audience option where you need to select your profile category. So you need to establish your Facebook profile. For that, what you need to do is you tap and complete your profile. Add or edit your profile picture, tap that. Provide a picture for your Facebook, tap and save. Once that's done, you need to add or edit your cover photo, tap that. I'm gonna tap and choose a random pictures from here. Add or edit your bio, tap that. Then tap and save. Now you scroll down, connect with your audience. You need to select your profile category, tap that. From the category, you need to go and choose the option digital creator. After that, if you have a website or social link, you can provide it over here. You can tap on add social link and add your other Instagram account. If you have a website, you can add it to the website section. Going back, there's the third option, create your content. Now if you have a content that you want to upload, you can create right now. You tap on create content and you can create a brand new one right over here. Below is review privacy setting. There are the important settings that you can make changes to. Now after everything that you have done to change your Facebook profile to digital creator, you can see the changes in your profile. Go to profile on the top left, and if you scroll down in your profile section, you can see in the details profile digital creator. So this is a way how you can change Facebook profile to digital creator. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the WebToTech YouTube channel. Thank you for watching till the very end.